Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, and today we're going to be doing some Georgia Peach and Blueberry Cobbler. You can see we have our peaches and blueberries, obviously. We also have some sugar, nutmeg, and cinnamon, along with some lime juice. We're going to mix all this together and throw it in a cast iron pan here. Now you can see everything's combined in the pan here. We're just going to let it cook until all the sugar's melted and liquefied. Then we'll be ready to take it off. Alright, as you can see here, everything's nice and melted. Peaches, blueberries, everything's softening up a little bit. So it's ready to come off. We'll put that aside and we'll put together the cobbler crust. Alright, for the cobbler crust, we have some flour, sugar, baking powder. We're going to add in a cup of milk, mix it all together. Throw a stick of butter in the pan here, and then pour it in. Now that the butter is all melted, we're just going to go ahead and pour this batter in real quick. And then what we're going to do after that, we're going to pour the blueberry filling in. Sitting here on the side, pour it in, and do not stir it. Just kind of let it be. Spread it out, but don't stir it. And that's it. We're just going to leave this for 45 minutes, and then it'll be done. Alright, let's take a look. Pretty golden brown. That's it, it's done. 45 minutes later, this is what you end up with. Georgia Peach and Blueberry Cobbler. I can't wait to try it.